I'm Megan Solkeld, the Curriculum Manager of Apprenticeships at Themis at Burnley College. I'm delighted to welcome you to our annual Themis Careers Event. It's a fantastic opportunity for young people to meet up with a selection of the 600 leading employers that we work with and explore the apprenticeship pathways and their career opportunities.
On an evening like this, we get to engage with people, see what their expectations are, give them a little bit of guidance. For any company that wants to come along to any of the events, it's come along and get involved. You'll see firsthand what the college can do for you and what you can benefit from as an employer.
The apprenticeship evening that is happening behind me, this is how I found out about it, and that is how I applied for Safran. I came to this event a couple of years ago and I never looked back.
If you're thinking about doing an apprenticeship, I'd definitely suggest it. I think the experience that you get and earning as well is amazing.